Hey guys, so good morning. So today I have come up with a new topic which is very crucial, and you have to listen this because this will definitely going to help you in your spoken English. So many of us like have a question like we don't we can't speak English, even we know each and everything about grammar, every tenses, even we are not able to speak English. So I would like to give you an example. So if you go abroad, like if you go to any foreign country like America or anywhere, so do you think if you go there and you will just go and read grammar and then you will try to speak English? No, that is not going to happen. You, if you go there, you will not going to do anything. You will talk to others and do mistakes, and you will do mistakes, and by listening and by speaking you will be able to speak in English within very few days or months. You will not going to learn grammar there. So that is the main thing. What we do actually, because our like primary language is something else, but English is our secondary language. That's why we even know about everything, grammar, parts, tenses, everything, even we are not able to speak. And that is the main reason for if you really want to speak English fluently, that I know you have every knowledge about grammar and everything. You just need to go and search on Google or YouTube, everywhere, and just practice the sentences, like daily sentences or forming question, and just repeat those sentence again and again, again and again. If you repeat the same thing, you will able to speak fluent in. You will do, definitely going to do mistake in initial days, but like after some days or some month, you will feel that yes, I am now getting, I am used to this speaking things. So just go and just practice daily sentences. Like we, if I can give you example, like I am going, I am where were you, what were you doing, I have been to there, have you been there, so how long will it take. So this, like this, you can practice your daily sentences or whatever, and just keep repeating every time, like I am taking this, I am going there, I have been doing this since um, uh, 2002, and I have been studying for 4 hours. Like this, you have to just familiar with every each and every sentences, and one day you will realize that yes, everything is coming through your mouth or automatically. You will not going to put the effort to speak out. So this is the only way you can speak English, because your dream, you want to speak English, your dream is to speak English, so you have to speak English. You can't go just learning grammar, tenses. That won't help you for sure. That is something you grab, that is something is needed for some part, but now your dream is to speak, your dream is to speak fluent, your dream is to speak fluent English. Then believe me, you have to go through every each and every sentences, and again. If you repeat the same thing, you will definitely going to speak fluently one day. And that's all about this video. So thank you. Thank you.